Morning all. I thought today we could do something a little bit different and start getting into the painting side of things. And I thought we could start with a tiger hiding in the bushes. I found an old piece of canvas which is quite large, and all I did was paint it with PVA. It's a reused one, and then I just put a layer of gesso on top of that. You can see the dog behind me, but he thinks he rules the place. But anyhow, so yes, we're going to have a look at how that was done. I used a proportional divider to get the proportions, and then, excuse me, sorry, and then I just drew it onto the canvas. So we're going to go through part one, the drawing, or part one and part two, the drawing. I'll have to break it up, and then we'll get into the painting. So let's enjoy and have a bit of fun. The best way to start to learn portraits is by drawing animal faces first, and once you've got that under wraps, you can get into human faces, and I'm sure you'll pick it up quickly. So let's have a look. So this is the picture I've chosen, and let's see what we can do with it. So I started by taking measurements with my proportional divider from the edge of the picture to the eye, and started taking measurements in that way. In that way I managed to complete the eye, the right hand eye. On your screen it will be the left hand eye, and yes, it worked out quite well. From there I measured the distance to the other eye, and then started to draw the other eye in exactly the same way. So here I'm going to now measure between the pupils, so I can get the center of each eye, and I'm going to transfer that onto the canvas using the measurements. So you can see how this device works and how it helps you to get things in the right place. It is a great instrument, and I'm really glad that I came across it. Let's see how it goes. As you can see, it's coming along quite nicely. Got most of it in now, just the foliage. So there we have it. The drawing is now complete, ready for paint. Alright, so there we have it. I've transferred the drawing from the PC onto the canvas, and I trust you give it a go. You don't have to use a huge canvas like I did, and you can make yours any size you want, but give it a bash, see how it goes. Use any technique you like. There's no real rules in art, although others would not agree with that. But feel free to experiment and just enjoy what you're doing, and you'll come to love it. And it's your creation, you made it, and yes, enjoy the process. Try the different instruments out, test your eyes, and have a good time. And we'll see you in the next one when we start adding paint. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. It helps me to make these videos, and I hope you get as much enjoyment out of creating your artwork as I do. So thanks very much for watching, and have a great day.